Is your video still stuck in blurry 720p? After uploading to YouTube, does it get compressed until it looks like a pixelated mosaic? What many people don't realize is that even if you shoot in 1080p, it can still look blurry on a 4K screen. But with AI Video Upscaling, that changes completely. It can automatically reconstruct missing pixels and restore fine details that were lost. With noise reduction and sharpness enhancement, AI can significantly improve overall clarity. Today, we'll walk you step by step through how to use AI to upscale any video to stunning 4K quality in just one click. And the best part is, free. No watermarks. No software installation required. By the end of this video, your video quality will feel like it just entered a whole new era. Today, the tool we're using is Picwand AI Video Upscaler. It's especially great for YouTubers and other social media content creators because it offers one-click 4K upscaling, automatic denoising and sharpening, online use with no software required, support for formats like MP4 and MOV. And the best part is, it's extremely beginner-friendly. Step 1. Go to the Picwand website, then click AI Video Upscaler under the AI Video tab in the navigation bar. Step 2. Upload the video you want to upscale, then choose the mode and output resolution. You can customize it from 720p all the way up to 8K. In this case, we'll select 4K. Step 3. Click Generate Full Video, and the system will automatically enhance the video by fixing blur, increasing resolution, and optimizing colors. The whole process only takes a few dozen seconds to generate a 4K HD video. Step 4. Download your 4K video. Now you have a much clearer, sharper 4K version of your original footage. By comparing the before and after results using the AI Video Upscaler, you'll notice much sharper details, reduced noise, more natural-looking faces. In fact, AI can even make low-resolution videos look close to native high-definition quality. Upscaling to 4K isn't just about making your videos look better. It can also increase click-through rates, improve recommendation performance, boost watch time, since YouTube tends to favor higher quality content. If you want your videos to look more professional, make sure to try Picwand's AI Video Upscaler. I've left the link in the description. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.